The consultants at BCS are experts in conference room design. Watch our video to learn about the solutions your conference room needs to communicate, connect, and collaborate efficiently, effectively, and effortlessly. Organizing a last-minute meeting and finding an empty room when you don't have minutes to spare can be very stressful. But thanks to scheduling panels along with a room scheduling platform, you no longer need to stress. Scheduling panels located outside meeting rooms allow you to book meetings from the touchpad. They also tell you a room's status and when a room will be available. Room availability indicators are illuminated signs that make it easy to locate available rooms in one quick glance. The focal point of the room and most important device to present information is a digital display. An interactive digital board does more than just present. It improves collaboration in meetings. Now you can write over presented content. Use the display as a whiteboard. Take photos, save your work, and share it with your collaborators after the meeting. Add a smart soundbar with a speakerphone and camera for an all-in-one video conferencing device. Exceptional audio and image quality bring out the best in every meeting. A tabletop console for your meeting room lets you control your conferencing and collaboration tools from one easy-to-use device. Features include conference phone, room scheduling, Bluetooth audio pairing with mobile phones, wireless presentation, and unbelievable microphone and speaker quality. Conveniently located table outlets will connect your devices and keep you charged. One-touch retractors allows cable to be pulled out smoothly for use, then retracts with the touch of a button. Outlets can be customized for the size, power, and cable management features you need. Clear audio is crucial for productive meetings, and it is a requirement for employee safety. In-ceiling speakers are designed for public address and music applications. Ensure that meeting attendees can hear emergency notification announcements while in a contained meeting room. For larger video conferencing meeting spaces, ceiling microphones are an ideal solution. Instead of focusing on a microphone's position, you can concentrate on the meeting. Automated window shades can be controlled right from your seat. Minimize external distractions, eliminate glaring sunlight, or darken the room to view digital and video presentations with the touch of a button. Blackout shades are also available. Adjust the lights in the room quickly and easily with automated lighting controls. Occupancy sensors are a cost-effective solution to reduce energy consumption. Lights will automatically turn off when no one is in the room. The added bonus, empty rooms will show up as available when recurring meetings are not held. Call us today to get connected with a BCS consultant for a free consultation to upgrade your communication and collaboration solutions.